Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to hide your number from Telegram profile. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open Telegram and tap on top left 3 lines. Now here you can see that my number is showing below my name, so how to hide this number? To hide it, first of all you have to click on your settings. After clicking on settings, here you have to click on privacy and security. After that, here you will see the phone option at the top, you have to click on it. After clicking on this, you have to click on simply nobody here. Now no one can see your number except you. Now click on the top right save icon here. In this way you can hide your number in Telegram. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.